The other demo that we see a lot, or the type of demo with vacuum chambers, has to do with pressure. So by removing the air that's in there, we are taking away the material that's vibrating for sound waves, but it's also changing the actual pressure, the atmospheric pressure in there. And so a lot of the demos with vacuum chambers are like this one. We've got a little person with a marshmallow for a head, and when we put him in there, he's fine, totally normal. But when we start the vacuum chamber up, as we pump the air out of the vacuum chamber, we're actually removing pressure from the inside. So there's no air in the vacuum chamber, which means there's no pressure pushing in on his head. And it gets comically large. When we stop it and open it, shrinks back down. What you can't normally see when you look at a marshmallow is that there's air trapped inside the marshmallow. And normally, the air inside the marshmallow pushing out is perfectly balanced with the air outside of the marshmallow pushing in. Since the pressures are the same, you just have a marshmallow. But what we saw in the vacuum chamber is that when we pull the air from the bell jar out, there's no more pressure pushing in, but there is still pressure pushing out. There's still air in the marshmallow pushing out, which caused the marshmallow to expand and stretch. As soon as we put the air back in, the air pushes in, and it looked like it crushed the poor little Marshmallow Man's head. If you do this at home, I would recommend not eating the marshmallow after it's lost the air. They don't have the same fluffy, delightful texture.